In between, I will call for your attendance, so be present during the lecture because anytime I can ask for attendance. Mm, okay. So your second chapter we are starting. The chapter title is logarithmic and exponential function. Okay, we all know what is an exponential function. Yes or no? Exponential function, everyone is familiar. Can you give me an example of exponential function? Anyone? Come on, give me an example for exponential function. Anyone can unmute and give me the exponential function, one exponential function. Harsh, you tell me what is exponential function. Give me one example for exponential function. I haven't heard anything. Give me an example for exponential function. Harsh, Michelle, an example for exponential function. Hello, Michelle, are you there? This is what happens when you are not keeping your cameras on. Okay. Nilangshi, hello, Nilangshi.
Yes, sir.
Give me an example for exponential function.
Is x square an example of it?
X square is an example of it, right? Okay. So here there are too many examples. Like you say x square. Okay, x square is equals to 5. Say this is one example, or I will say that 2 power 3 is equals to 8 is another example, right? Or 5 power x is equals to say 10 is another example. These are all different examples of exponential functions. Now suppose I have given 5 power x is equals to 10. So before taking this, if I take an example, say 2 power x is equals to 8. Okay, if 2 power x is equals to 8, can you tell me what is the value of x? If 2 power x is equals to 8, what is the value of x? Yeah, okay. So 2 power x is equals to 8 will give you x is equals to 3. Okay. Now 5 power x is equals to 10. Can you tell me what is x? 5 power x is equals to 10, then what is x?
1.43 something.
1.43. Okay. So now here it becomes little difficult to identify what could be the actual value of x, right? Means what you can do over here, if we know exponential function only, we can say that okay, 5 power 1 is equals to 5, 5 power 2 is equals to 25. Now this 10 is between this 5 and this 25. So I can say that yes, this 10, okay, the x value, I will say that therefore the x value will lie between 1 and 2. And therefore, between 1 and 2, I will try different values, and therefore I will come to a closer value of x, which will satisfy 5 power x is equals to 10. Okay. So this is one way of working, but here we have another simple way of solving these kind of equations, okay, called logarithmic functions. there is another function, logarithmic function. Now, logarithmic function and exponential functions are inverse of each other. You have learned something called inverse function, right? Inverse function is what? It is just the reverse of a given function in the sense that your output will become input and input will become output. So, for an example, you have a square function. Square function 5 square gives you 25. Okay. So, the inverse of this is what? Is a square root function. A square root of 25 gives you 5. Yes or no? So, as we have a function and inverse function, similarly for exponential functions, we have logarithmic functions as the inverse of your exponential function. Now, let us understand how we represent the logarithmic function. So, to understand how we represent logarithmic function, we first understand in exponential function what is our base. Okay. So, here in the first example, x square equal to 5, my base is x and my exponent or power is 2. Okay, and 5 is its value. Here, this we say that this is the output, and what is input? So input is your x power 2 is your input, or I will say that this power 2 is our input. Okay, and 2 power 3 is equals to 8. 2 is called base, 3 is called power or exponent, and 8 is what we get the result. Okay, in logarithmic function, when we define a logarithmic function, we write log. Log stands for logarithm, short form of logarithm. Log. Now, as I said that in inverse function, your output become input. So it will be log 5. Now here, when we define, the base is important. Like 2 power x, x power 2 is 5. Something power 2 is some other value. So that base is important. So that base x here is considered as base, and that base I write over here. And read this as logarithm of 5 to base x. What I read this as logarithm of 5 to the base x is equal to, now my input 2 will become my output. So representation, these two representation are one and the same thing. In the sense, 5 power 2 and square root of 25. They are not square root of 25. What I will say that 5 power 2 is equals to 25 and square root of 25 equal to 5. Yeah, these two representations are same. 5 power 2 is 25 or root 25 is equals to 5, right? So similarly here, x square equal to 5 or log 5 to the base x equal to 2, they mean the same thing. Have you got little idea about logarithmic function? Now this 2 power 3 is equals to 8 is given. Okay. Now this 2 power 3 is equals to 8. Here Sarah will tell me how I will write in logarithmic form. 2 power 3 is equals to 8. Sarah, tell me. Log log of 8 to the base 2 equal to 3. Okay. So when I say that log 8 or log of 8 to the base 2, then its value will be 3. Right? Here 5 power x is equals to 10. Now 5 power x is equals to 10. Someone else, Michelle, are you there?
Yes.
Tell me how I will write in log. What I will say? 5 power x is equals to 10.
Log 10 to the base 5 is
Log
equal
10
to
to the base 5 is equals to
x.
x. Okay, wonderful. Okay, so you have a basic idea that how we define log, right? Okay. Now let us discuss what value I will get if I have say log, say I have log 10, log, sorry, log 10 to the power x base 10. Okay. Now I have to find out what is its value. This is question mark. Yeah. So what we do here, I will keep the concept like if I have log a to the base b is equals to, say, if this is given, then I can say that b power c is equals to a. Yes or no? Means from logarithmic form you can convert in exponential form. Have I written correctly or there is some mistake? Nobody is saying? Okay. I have to find out log of 10 power x to the base 10. I have to find its value. So let us first assume that this log of 10 power x to the base 10 is equals to, let us say, y. Then can I say that 10 power y is equals to 10 power x? And therefore, can I say that this y is equals to x? And therefore, can I say that this log 10 power x to the base 10 is equals to x only? Have you understood this result? Log 10 power x to the base 10 is equals to x.
It's just always like that.
So log, if it is log say 2 power 3 to the base 2, then what will be its result? Its result is going to be 3. If it is log say 5 power 10 to the base 5, then its result will be 10. Okay. So a very important result. Now one more important result we will discuss. Suppose I have 10 power log x to the base 10. Okay. I have to find this value. So again, I will consider this as y. Okay. Now I know that if it is a power b equal to c, then I can say that log c to the base a is equals to b. Yes or no? So here what I can say that log y to the base 10 is equals to log x to the base 10. And from this, again, I conclude that this y is equals to x. Now, as this y is equals to x, here I can say that this y is equals to x. That means if it is in this form, log 10 power log x to the base 10, then directly I can write this result as x, right? Yes or no? So here, if it is 5 power log, say I have 5 power 2, then what is its result? Actually, here it is not 5 power 2, sorry, my mistake. It is log 2 to the base 5. It is like that. Then the result is going to be 2. Okay. So, few things that we understand is that suppose you have a power b is equals to c, then you can write this as log of c to the base a is equals to b. This is first thing we understand. Second thing, we understand that if it is a power log base a log of b to the base a, then this is going to be equal to b. And third, we understand that if it is log a power say b to the base a, then also it is b. Okay. Write down these three results. Okay, I will give you one problem based on this. A power b is equals to c means log of c to the base a is equals to b. A power log b to the base a is equals to b. And log of a power b, no, log of a power b to the base a is equals to b. These are the three results. Take down these three results. Okay. Right, class? Have you taken down, everyone? Yeah. Now you have a problem. You have to tell me what is log of 10 to the base 10. What is log of 10 to the base 10? You have to use these three, we can say that identities or formula, whatever you say.
1.
Yeah, very good. It's 1. Why it is 1? Because this 10 I can write as 10 power 1. So log of 10 power 1 to the base 10 is going to be 1. Okay. What is log of 1 to the base 10? Log of 1 to the base 10.
0.
Yeah, very good. It's 0. Because this I can write as 10 power 0. 1 I can write as 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is 1. Okay. So your log of 1, so your log of 1 to the base 10 is going to be 0. Okay. Now log of 1 to the base 5, what is its value? Log of 1 to the base 5.
0.
Yes. Okay, so from this I conclude that whatever be the base for log, okay, if it is log of 1, it is always going to be 0. Yes or no? Right, students? Okay, very good. Fine. Now let us solve few problems. Okay, the first problem, okay, you will try first and then I will help you out. We have a problem, log of x to the base 2 is given 3. Okay, you try and then I will help you out if you will not get. So the problem here we have is log of x to the base 2 is given 3. You have to find out the value of x, or simply if I say that solve this equation, that means you have to find the value of x. Shall I help you out for the first problem? As this is the first problem you have, you need my help or you are able to solve this?
How can you help?
Hmm. This is a logarithmic form. If I say that convert it in exponential form, so how you convert in exponential form? You say that 2 power 3 is equals to x. and therefore you will say that x is equals to 8. Done. Yes, class, easy. Any doubt? Okay, let us take another problem. You have log of 49. Now I will keep base as x and I will say that this is equals to 2. Solve for x. Tell me what is the value of x.
7.
Wonderful, 7. Again, if I convert in exponential form, I will say that x power 2 is equals to 49. And I know that this 49 is 7 square. So by comparing, I will get x is equals to 7. Very good. Okay. One more question. Suppose log, I have log of x to the base 4 is equals to 0. Then what is x?
1.
X is equals to 1. Wonderful. We have, by concept also, we understand that log of 1 always is 0, whatever be the base. Okay. Or if you convert in exponential form, you will say that 4 power 0 is equals to x and 4 power 0 is 1. So you will say that x is equals to 1. Good. Okay. Now let us make problem little complex. Okay, little complex. So the problem is your log, the problem is log of 3x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 5. Log of 3x minus 1 to the base 2 is equal to 5. Okay. You have to find the value for x. Now you have to solve. Everyone, please solve these problems. Okay. Until and unless you will solve, you will not understand how to do it. Okay. By listening, you will see that, okay, this is easy, we can do it. But when actually you are doing, you will find difficult. Okay. So here the problem is log of 3x minus 1 to the base 2 is equals to 5. You have to solve for x.
So is it 11?
You got 11. Let me try. Okay. So what we do, we say that, okay, from this we conclude that, okay, 2 power 5 is equals to 3x minus 1. So this gives me 2 power 5 is what, 32. So 32 is equals to 3x minus 1. So this gives me 33 is equals to 3x. This gives me 11 equal to x, or x is equals to 11. What you said, 11? Your answer is 11?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Now let us take one tough problem. Okay, not tough, but a little bit confusing. You have log of 7 minus 2x to the base y is equals to 0. You have to tell me what is the value of x.
So is it 4?
Is it 4? Okay, let us check. Actually, from this, I will get y power 0 is equals to 7 minus 2x. Y power 0 is 1. 1 is equals to 7 minus 2x. So I have 2x is equals to 6. I have x is equals to 3. So I think you add 1 to 7. You have to subtract 1 from 7. 2x I bring to the left It become plus 2x. 1 I bring to the right, it will become 7 minus 1, 6. So answer is 3. Yes? Okay, now let us move to second category of problem. Question number 6. We have log 27 to the base 3. I have to find its value. What is its value? Log 27 to the base 3.
3.
Very good. Actually, here I will use the property. This 27, I will try to write in the power of 3. So 3 power 3 to the base 3. And we know that this is equals to 3. Okay, this part will be the answer. Very good. Okay, let us take one more example or one more problem. Okay, it's log, okay, little difficult one. Log of 2 to the base 4 is equals to.
So is it 1 by 2?
It's 1 by 2. Perfect. Okay, so I will write this as log of this 2, I can write as 4 power half to the base 4, and therefore this is half. Okay, good. Now let us take one more problem. It's log 1 divided by 16 to the base 4. Log 1 divided by 16 to the base 4.
Is it minus 2?
Minus 2. Okay, fine. So this I will write.
Roll up once.
Scroll up where you want to see which problem.
The first one.
The first one. Yeah,
Yes.
done. Okay, very good, Vijayan. So here, this 1 by 16, 1 by 16 can be written as 4 power minus 2. And here base is 4. So my answer is minus 2. Okay, good. Very good. Now, one more question of this type. Okay, this is little mental exercise for you all. So question number 9, it is logarithm of root 3 divided by 3 to the base 3. This root 3 divided by 3, I have to write in terms of 3 power. So it is 3 power, root 3 you see, it is 3 power half. Divided by 3 means I will subtract 1. I will use the concept of a power x divided by a power y. can be written as a power x minus y. Okay. So this is, and yes, the base is 3. So this is log. Now 3 power half minus 1 is what? Minus half to the base 3. So my result is what? Minus half. Yes or no? And the last of this type, a little challenging one, you have log of 0.125 to the base 2. Log of 0.125 to the base 2.
So is it -3?
Very good. It's minus 3. Wonderful. Log this 0.125 is nothing but it is 1 upon 8 to the base 2. 1 upon 8 is nothing but it is 2 power minus 3 to the base 2. So the answer is minus 3. Okay, absolutely right. Okay. Now let us change the base from number to some variable. 11th question. If I say log, say, I will say that x square, now I am taking a difficult one, x square divided by root x, the whole power 3, and your base is x. What is its value?
Sir, will it be -6?
Minus 6.
No, sorry. I'll try again.
Okay. Actually, here you are simplifying this. It is x power, I think it is x power 9 divided by 2, and base is x. So answer will be 9 divided by 2. X square divided by root x means x power 2 minus half. 2 minus half is what? 3 by 2. And 3 by 2 times 3 is 9 by 2. So it is x power 9 by 2, and therefore answer is 9 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 12th one. Now the next question I have to solve. The question is solve, and here I have log and inside log we have again log x to the base 3, and here we have the whole base 2 is given minus 1. Okay, I have to find out the value of x. Log of log x to the base 3 to the base 2 is equals to minus 1. We have to find the value of x. By what time you are all expecting your results? What paper you have given? Any idea? Advit Pandey, are you there? Advit? So are you calling me? Yes, yes, my dear, I am calling you. Are you understanding what is going on? Yeah, so. Okay, because you joined late today. Okay. So what answer you got here? Have you got something? You are still trying, or I will try with you all. I Actually, this you can write as 2 power minus 1 is equals to log x to the base 3. Yes, I'm right. Logarithmic form I convert in exponential form, so I will keep this base as it is, and this minus 1 will go in exponent, and that is going to be equal to log 3 base 3 of x. Okay. Now 2 power minus 1 is what? 2 power minus 1 is 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 is equals to log x to the base 3. So again I will convert this in exponential form. So it will be 3 power half is equals to x. So this gives me x is equals to a square root of 3. Yes or no? Simple. We get x is equals to root 3. Yeah. Now one more problem. We have log we have log 2 raised to 3 minus 5x, and base is given 4, and this is equals to x square. So you have to find out the value of x. Question number 30. I have, I hope 12 everyone have done. Are you getting the answer? Have you got the answer, class? What we do here, we will say that this 4 power x square will be equal to 2 power 3 minus 5. Okay. Then this 4 I can write as 2 power 2. So it is 2 power 2, the whole power x square, and here it is 2 power 3 minus 5x. So from this I can say that 2 power 2x square is equals to 2 power 3 minus 5x. From this, I can say that 2 times x square is equals to 3 minus 5x. From this, I will conclude that 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. From this, I will conclude x is equals to minus 5 plus minus root of 5 square is 25 plus 4 to the 8 to the 24 and whole divided by 4. Whole divided by 4. So from this, we conclude that x is equals to minus 5 plus or minus root of 49 divided by 4 is equals to minus 5 plus or minus 7 divided by 4 is equals to minus 5 plus 7 is what? It is 2 divided by 4, which is 1 by 2, or minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 divided by 4 is minus 3. So the x get two values, either half or minus 3. Now half or minus 3, if I took this value half, so both the values are okay, right? Understand? Yes, class? Done this concept? Okay, so this is our last question for today. We will stop here. In the next class, we will see some laws of the logarithm and we will do the problems based on it. Okay. And yes, everyone join on time, because if you miss the initial 5-10 minutes, then it will be difficult for you all to solve the problems. Okay. So be on time and keep on practicing. Do that exercise. I will share one link where you have to submit your assignment. Okay, so by Thursday, I think this Thursday you are supposed to submit that assignment. Okay, so do that assignment as well as read this logarithmic chapter from your textbook. Okay, that will give you some more idea about what this logarithm is all about. Okay, shall we stop? You have any doubt? Anyone? Today, 7 students present: Advait, Harsh, Jia, Michelle, Nilankshi, Sarah, and Vijayan. Okay, give me your. Acha, already left few students. Fine.